everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cora Diane and today I'm going to be testing out oVertone Deep Treatment. This is not a dye but a coloring conditioning treatment for your hair. It's meant to hydrate and deposit color onto your existing strands. It won't lighten your hair, doesn't have ammonia or peroxide or any of that stuff in it, so you can't lighten your color using this, but you can change the tone of your color, and so it's called oVertone. When I lightened my hair, my whole intention was to come home and use the oVertone because I was really excited to test this out. It's been a pretty buzzy product. I was curious how it would work for my hair. Before we get started, I want to say thank you to our video sponsor, EveryPlate. EveryPlate is a meal delivery service, and I know meal delivery services are super well known, but this one's a little bit different because it's the best value on the market. At about $4.99 a meal, it's a great alternative to takeout or delivery. It's still delivered to you, so it still has that convenience factor. You don't have to go to the grocery store. You don't have to decide what to cook. Everything's sort of selected for you. We've loved everything. In fact, this week we got to make honey glazed chicken. Chicken sausage linguine was delicious. Some of the best chicken sausage I've ever had. It was delicious. Cowboy skillet pie, which is basically shepherd's pie but with like a Southwest flavor. Oh my gosh, this is actually one of my new favorite things. So I'm using a grapefruit spoon to clean out the ribs from a pepper. Huh. Especially if you like less heat, you can get rid of more of the ribs to take out some of the heat. And this works a treat at getting all that out.
I did not know that, actually.
Yeah, so you can find these random places. I'll try to find a link in the description to a place that sells these spoons because they're super useful.
What? Whoa.
Ew, those look terrible. If you have some green pepper dicing skills, please share them with me because I really suck at this. The recipes are easy to follow and they come together in about 30 minutes, so it's not super labor intensive. It's not like this whole, cooking for 2 hours after you get off work kind of thing. I'm not into that either. If it's not easy, I'm not going to do it during the week. Because the ingredients are just delivered and it's the exact amounts and the exact proportions that you need, there's less food waste. You're not buying extra things and you're saving money because you're not wasting it on buying things you don't really need. Especially, Michael and I are two people, so we don't need to buy like a large quantity of certain things. I would love for you guys to check this out as well. They gave us a special promo code, so it's Cora6, and you'll get 6 meals across your first 3 weeks for free. With free shipping on your first delivery, go to everyplate.com and use the promo code Cora6. Let's go ahead and get into the oVertone. I am going to be using gloves on one hand. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to see how much it stains. They say that you don't have to wear gloves if you don't want to, so we'll see how this works with me wearing a glove on one hand and not wearing a glove on the other. We'll be able to compare how much it stains. The other thing is they say if you want it to be brighter, use it on dry hair. If you want it to be a little bit more toned down, use it on wet hair. I'm going to use it on dry hair. So here we go. This is so wild. Okay. I can't believe I'm going to dye my hair on camera like this. This is so wild. Okay. Pardon me while I have a moment with this. So you're meant to take it all the way from the top to the bottom. So get it nice and saturated. I almost have this side all covered. One thing I like about the non-gloved hand is that I can like really feel where the color is going. I'm going to start on this side now. It smells like kind of like an herbaceous mint, a bit like spearmint. Really hope this turns out because otherwise I'm going to have some issues. Now my hair's on the longer side and it's looking like I'm going to use about half a jar of this in one sitting, but this is on dry hair so it's absorbing more of it. It's looking pretty pink, and it's nice to like be able to color my hair in this kind of way where like I'm not worried about it getting like, around my hairline or anything. Of course you could cover up your hairline with a little bit of Vaseline or something if you wanted, but this is one of the reasons why I wanted to go to a more naturalistic color to do rose golds and blondes and that kind of thing, was that I wanted it to be less maintenance. I wanted it to be less difficult for myself because a lot of the colors that I have had have been so much maintenance. Oh my goodness. And this is just easy to throw on. Okay. Is it all in? You guys are gonna have to tell me in the comments if I got it in the back because I cannot see. What I like about this too is that it's a deep treatment, so I'm using a deep conditioner on my hair at the same time that I'm coloring it. Okay, so I'm just piling it up on the top of my head. They say to wait 10 to 15 minutes. You could leave it in longer than that, but apparently you don't need to. So that's my gloved hand and my non-gloved hand. I'm gonna go wash this and see how much it stained it. So I'll be right back in a jiffy. Oops, let's not drop the jar of oVertone. Okay, so I just washed my hand and dried it. And yes, there is a little bit of staining. You can really tell on my nails. Here's my manicure on the hand that had the glove on, and here's the side that had the dye direct. There definitely is a bit of stainage that happens, so I'll probably wear gloves next time I do this, but it was kind of cool to see like how much it gets stained. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube for the next 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower, I'll dry my hair, and I'll come show you guys the results. Well, okay, this is not the video that I had planned to make. I planned to like come down here and be like, oh my god, I love it so much, but I don't. I'm not feeling it. Just me, I just don't like it. So now I need to figure out how to fix it. So I'm gonna Google how to remove oVertone from your hair. Cool. Drama, drama, drama. Okay, so after using the deep treatment, it was definitely rose gold. And something really unexpected happened. I didn't like it. Actually, I just immediately knew that it was wrong. I shampooed my hair about 5 times with a like harsh, like sulfate rich shampoo. Like normally I avoid sulfates in my shampoo because I'm trying to preserve color, but this time I was like, just get it out. And it came out for the most part. Here's some footage of it. I blow dried it. I styled it just to see if it was getting closer to what I wanted. It was still fairly rose gold, so I decided to hop in the shower and I grabbed the pastel silver oVertone. Thank goodness I already had this on deck and ready. This is the daily conditioner in pastel silver, and I used it on my hair. I left it on for less than a minute just to tone it, and I think we're getting pretty close to what I had earlier today. I'm just going to go ahead and do some side-by-side shots of my hair now and earlier so you guys can see. I think I got it pretty close. I think it still has a little bit more depth, like it's like a richer, like deeper tone than it was earlier. So, you know, time will go ahead and lighten that up for me. It'll take the color out. I just want to come on here and show you guys my hair in daylight. This is the day after I've just finished editing the video, and I wanted to show you guys in daylight that it is in fact fixed. I was looking at the footage last night and it still didn't look like I totally had fixed it, but part of that was the lighting, and I think the all black background like makes any tone in the hair really pop out. So it was just looking weird to me. So anyway, just kind of wanted to show you. I fixed it. It's all good. The oVertone came out beautifully. And so that's the good thing, is that you can get experimental and try something and then wash it out if it didn't work out for you. So, yay. I have been trying to be more impulsive and not like overthink everything, and I think this is a situation where maybe I shouldn't have been so impulsive. Lesson learned, definitely crisis averted, because for a minute there I was like, oh no, I ruined my hair, and had a full-on freak out. I want to say very clearly, this is not in any way throwing shade at oVertone. It just didn't work out. These things happen. Thankfully, this isn't a dye. Thankfully, I was able to just wash it right out of my hair. Anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching my hair fail. Hope that you enjoyed this. I will see you in my next video. My name is Cora Diane. Just be kind to yourself and others.